things first, appreciate your support. So this is an LG washing machine. This is a smart inverter. So it's giving us an OE error. So every time you see an OE error on an LG washing machine, that is a drainage issue. So two things. It's either the pump is not running, or the pump is running but the drain hose is blocked or kinked, so the machine can't remove water. So on this one here, the drain pump is working well, it's running, but it won't drain all the water completely. So this is an OE error, meaning there is a blockage or something. So that's what we need to look at, and then issue is resolved. So for you to know if the pump is blocked, come here. So behind here, this is the drain filter. So you open the drain filter here. There we go. See? So a small thing like this one, when it goes to the drain pump, the drain pump struggles to drain water, so it won't spin. As simple as that. So once you unblock that, and then you check this hose here, ensure there's nothing blocking it, then the machine will drain as it should. Once you've done that, you wash this and then you plug it back. So let's do a test after unblocking the machine. So there you go, the machine is not spinning.